Grow a garden, build ideas. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're sharing creative and budget-friendly garden build ideas to transform any space, big or small, into your own green paradise. 1. Raised garden beds. Raised beds are perfect for better soil control and easier access. Use wood, bricks, or even repurposed materials. They work great for vegetables, herbs, or flowers. 2. Vertical garden wall. Short on space. Try a vertical garden. Mount pots on a wall, or use recycled pallets. Ideal for herbs, succulents, and even strawberries. 3. DIY container garden. No ground. No problem. Use containers like buckets, crates, or terracotta pots. Make it colorful with paint or patterns. 4. Pollinator corner. Build a pollinator zone with flowers that attract bees and butterflies. It supports the ecosystem and makes your garden come alive. 5. Vegetable tunnel or trellis. Use a trellis or arch to grow climbers like tomatoes, beans, or cucumbers. It saves space and looks beautiful, especially when plants are in full bloom. 6. Mini herb garden. Build a herb corner near your kitchen. Grow basil, mint, coriander, or thyme in small pots or trays. 7. Garden pathway. Create a path using flat stones, bricks, or logs. It adds structure and makes your garden easier to navigate. 8. Cactus or succulent corner. If you live in a hot, dry area, go for a succulent garden. They need less water and are low maintenance. 9. Small water feature. A small fountain or bird bath brings peace and attracts birds. Use simple materials like a pot, pump, or stones. 10. Themed flower beds. Design flower beds by theme, like all-purple blooms or a rainbow pattern. It brings symmetry and creativity to your space. Bonus tip, use what you have. Old tires, broken chairs, crates, turn them into planters or stands. Creative reuse is great for the environment and your wallet. Whether you have a backyard, balcony, or a small corner, these ideas will help you grow a beautiful and functional garden. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more green inspiration. Thanks for watching Grow a Garden.